Okay, so that's 9 cents when it goes all the way through. Good job, Ed. Okay, so we get 4, and then we gotta get 4 washers.
Yeah.
All right, right there, right?
I would get bigger ones.
They have bigger ones?
Mm-hmm.
You mean thicker ones?
Like these.
Why that?
So
Or put it on there.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Why do we want something that big?
So it's more area, like it'll grip.
Are you sure?
I love it.
Yeah.
I would.
Okay.
I mean, the small ones, they don't really do as much.
What's the point of having one?
Like, it'll grip more on where we're putting it.
Okay.